So our next topic is how do metals and non-metal react. How do metals and non-metals react? To find answer to this question, ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर ढूंढने के लिए हमें उसके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन लिखने पड़ेंगे. सपोज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर राइटिंग अबाउट इनर्ट गैस. So first is helium, neon and argon. So the atomic number of helium is 2, neon is 10, argon is 18. So K, L, M and N. So the electronic configuration of helium will be 2, neon 10, so it will be 2 and 8, argon it will be 2, 8 and 8. Now let us try to identify what is the actual difference between metal and non-metal. So these are example of some metal, that is sodium, magnesium, then it is aluminium, and let us write down potassium and calcium. So the atomic number of sodium is 11, 12, 13, 19 and 20. So it will be 2, 8 and 1. It will be 2, 8 and 2. It will be 2, 8 and 3. It will be 2, 8, 8, 1. It will be 2, 8, 8, 2. Okay. Now let us write some example of non-metal. These all are metals. Okay. Some non-metals. Let us first write nitrogen and oxygen, one of the most important non-metal. And let us write chlorine. Okay. So the number of nitrogen is 7, oxygen is 8, chlorine is 70. So it will have 2 and 5. It will have 2 and 6. It will have 2, 8 and 7. So from this table you can see that all the metal have valence electron. The electron which are present in outermost orbit, these are electron of outermost orbit, which are known as valence electron. These valence electron in metal will always be 1, 2, 3, so they can donate their electron ताकि अपने electron दे सके. And for non-metal it will have valence electron 5, 6, 7, so that it can take some electron from metals. Either it will take 3 electrons, either it will take 2 electrons, either it will take 1 electron to get stable. Now let us try to form an ionic compound. Suppose we want to form sodium chloride. We will also form magnesium chloride. Okay. So here we are going to just write the electron present in outermost orbit. We are only going to write the electron present in outermost orbit. So sodium's number is 11, 2, 8 and 1. So we will only write 1 electron which is present in outermost orbit. Chlorine, the number is 17. Therefore we will write 2, 8 and 7. So sodium, let us write 1 electron. Okay. Then chlorine, it has 7 electron in outermost orbit. Okay. Now what will happen? It will donate its electron. ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर देगा. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करता है तो क्या बन जाएगा? Na+. जो देता है ना वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज बनता है. That are cations. This is cation. And chlorine will be -1 because it is taking only 1 electron. Okay. So in this way, plus minus it will be 0 and it will form NaCl. Okay. Now what will happen in MgCl2? So the number of Mg is 12. It will have 2, 8 and 2 electron in their outermost orbit. So let us write about Mg. It have 2 electron in outermost orbit. Chlorine we already discussed, it have 7 electron. क्लोरीन ओनली रिक्वायर्ड 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. क्लोरीन को 1 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. मैग्नीशियम को 2 देने तो वो दूसरे क्लोरीन को भी बुलाएगा. दोनों को एक एक देगा. एक इसको देगा, एक इसको देगा और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको देगा. ओके, सो इट विल फॉर्म Mg+2. ये क्या बन जाएगा Mg2+. ओके, या +2, यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग, Mg2+. And this chlorine will take one electron, so it will form minus charge. It will form minus charge, but you can see that there are 2 atoms of chlorine, therefore it will form MgCl2. Now what actually happened? Sodium, the electronic configuration of sodium was 281. It donated 1 electron. ये दे देता है तो उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस हो जाता है. उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या हो जाता है, माइनस हो जाता है. और जो दे देते हैं ना वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज बनते हैं Na+. तो Na+ के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे, एक दे दिया है उसने, तो Na+ के पास कितने होंगे, 2 8. ओके, दिस मच इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी प्रेजेंट इन Na+. बट इन केमिस्ट्री वी डी नॉट डील विथ माइनस इलेक्ट्रॉन. हम माइनस के साथ डील ही नहीं करते केमिस्ट्री में. तो मैथ्स में कैसे ये माइनस है यहाँ पे जाके प्लस हो जाएगा, वैसा ही हम कर देते हैं. Na gives Na+ and electron minus. Same to same is the case of chlorine. Chlorine have 2 8 and 7 electron. It take 1 electron. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लेता है, ये दे रहा था इसलिए माइनस किया था, ये ले रहा है इसलिए. And it is taking electron, that it will be negative charge, so it will have 2 8 and 8. In next topic we'll discuss about properties of ionic compound.